please, please, please. Oh no. No, 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 no.
Woo-wee. She sounded good. Yes, sir. Booty action.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
What's going on, family? Tony of the Quiet Storm coming to you with another video. Hope everybody's well today. Hope everybody's doing great. Happy Saturday to you. It's a little gloomy out here, but it's gonna be all right. Yes, it looks a little better. So, if you don't know, I'm here at the dealership. Just checking out what they got. Actually here to get some service done to Sadie. Nothing bad, just normal routine stuff. I guess y'all thought, hey, he about to buy another car. Nah, I ain't balling like that. I told y'all I'm balling on a budget. But out here looking around, man. I'm turning my camera around. So yeah, got my camera turned around. I don't know what was going on, but I saw these little Jeeps right here. They kind of remind me of the Kia version, the Kia Souls, but the Jeep version. They're kind of nice, for especially somebody starting off just driving or whatever. I think it'll be pretty nice for a little high school or college student, or whoever's learning to drive. So yeah, I thought these was pretty nice. So yeah, these trucks are nice too. These old Dodge Rams right here. Probably need some. I think it needs some bigger tires on there if it's gonna be jacked up, though. For sure. You got your Cherokees over here, which Cherokees are pretty decent. If you need like a small type SUV, Cherokees will probably work for you. Let's see, they don't have too many cars out here. I see they got a few Challenger Scat Packs out here. So you got the 392 Challenger Scat Packs right here. You got quite a few of those out here. They don't have any Charger Scat Packs or Hellcats. Actually, they don't have any Hellcats at all in the Challengers or the Chargers. But they got the SXT thing right here. Hey, don't sleep on the V6. This color's kind of hot. Like this green. Also like this. I think this is this not the gold mango. I don't think it is, but color is hot. It's bright. I tell you that. It is real bright. But what they call this? Oh, the Toro red. Yeah, and that's base price of it. 33 for this one right here. So as I said, they got a couple Scat Pack Challengers right here. I don't really care too much for the Challengers, but they look nice. I guess because I like the 4 doors myself. But yeah, that's the price of the Scat Pack Challengers. Even though they call it, the RTs, but still SRT. Because I'm pretty sure that's what's under in the engine. Say SRT or powered by SRT. So they got a couple of these out here. They actually got a couple more Jeeps and stuff on that side as well. We got the real Jeeps right here. I guess I call it the real Jeep. But got these over here. They look pretty nice. But with me, I don't think I would buy one. Even though these Jeeps right here kind of remind me of Hummers for some reason. But I don't know. But what I really wanted to do, I want to take y'all on the inside and check out this Challenger wide body up in here. Well, yeah, man, as I said, check out this wide body Challenger right here, man. This thing is nice. Got the smoke gray. Got the 305s on.
You ready to trade already? Only 8,000 miles. You ready to trade now?
Nah, man. Nah, I'm good. Nah, I ain't trading my baby in. Just got her, This thing's nice, man. But the thing that blew me away, this thing is a stick. It's a manual. If you can see that, if you can see up in there, it's a stick shift. That's what blew me away, man. It's crazy. It's the first that I've seen of its kind that's a stick shift. And you got a roof. You sure? But yeah, this thing right here is nice. I said, if I was able to drive it, I would. But it's in a showroom, so that ain't gonna happen. You gotta go through many hoops to try to even test drive it. So I'll leave it where it's at and leave it looking pretty on the showroom floor. Yeah, this thing is nice, man. Like I said, y'all can see that it's a stick shift, man. It's just crazy. But yeah, that's what blew me away, man. But it is nice. It is nice. I tell you that. So you see my baby right there, getting her fluids changed. So should be out in a minute. Just sitting here waiting, just chilling, checking out what they got out here. While I'm waiting, what y'all got going on today? Where the cookouts at? Tell me where the food at. I'll be there. Alright, family, so as y'all see, I'm back in Sadie. Just leaving the dealership. Done got her transfusion done and got her feet worked on a little bit. But yeah. Now I'm about to go on and get about my day. and make it do what it do. But yeah, man, that Widebody Challenger, man, manual, that's what's up. That's what's up. I wonder if they gonna start making chargers like that too. Ain't no telling. Ain't no telling. But yeah, just wanted to come to you with a little something. I appreciate you tuning in. Appreciate you watching. If you hadn't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button on this video. Just leave me a comment and share it with your family and friends. You know, let's move up in 2021 all together. You know, we all go up. When one go up, we all go up. That's the way I see it. I mean, I'm not selfish or anything, so hey, when one go up, we all go up. So that's how it should be, supporting one another, and whatever you're doing, no matter what you're doing, you should support your brother and sister. And yeah, just be there for them. So, but until the next time, God made all things possible. Nothing's impossible. As long as you continue to have faith in Him, continue to trust in Him and believe in Him, believe in yourself, have faith in yourself, trust yourself, and everything will be all right. They'll fall into place. So until the next time, holla at y'all later.